Hi, welcome to a new video training series. This series is designed for our sales associates to increase their knowledge and skills to sell Chromebook and Chromebook Plus. In this video series, we are going to cover a group of topics, starting by a quick introduction to the Chrome operating system, interface, and the advantage of Chromebook features like drive integration and quick insert. We will also going to take one example of the Google applications, Google Photos. And let's start. This is the look of the Chromebook or the Chrome operating system user interface. It is very simple, very easy, and any customer or customers that is going to buy it or use a Chromebook for the first time, they are going to get used to it very quickly. Starting by number one is where your application is. Here all the applications that will be installed or you are going to install from the Google Play Store will be added here. Also, in the future, when you open documents or create a new documents, the documents is going to be added. The most recent documents will be added here on the top, and the most recent application you have opened is going to be also on the top. You have here a search. This search can show you your files, your history or websites that you have recently opened. Okay. Then the second point, or number two called the shelf or the status bar that you know in Windows. The status bar in Windows will show you all the applications that you have opened or the files you have opened, plus any applications that you get used to it, you can bin it or unbin it. Like photo, I like it, so I have bin it. I can do double by using two fingers. I can do one quick click. It will give me the right click. I can unbin or bin the application. If I bin the application, it will be always on the shelf, so it will have a quick access. Number three will be the calendar. The calendar here is something very simple and easy. It shows you the calendar. It doesn't give you any other options, but it is connected to your Google Calendar. If you want to add tasks, if you want to add appointments or anything like this, you simply click on the date and it will open the Google Calendar so you can add tasks or appointments. Moving to number four. Number four is the status tray or the settings. Here in the settings, you are going to see the communication settings, the battery status, and then the settings. If you clicked on the settings, you are going to see something very simple, just as the devices, your display and themes or wallpapers, and some devices that you can add like a printer, scanner, a pen stylus. Very simple. It's not going to be like the control panel in Windows. So this is very quick, very easy. This is the user interface for the Chrome operating system. Another important point, you would see in the demo mode, people try to use any any editors to try the typing. We do have something called the text. Here it is. Click on the text. It will allow them to open a file, a place that they can start typing. So they can start typing. Okay. We have two additional functions relating to typing. You can enable the on-screen keyboard in case you are using another language besides English and you are struggle to find a keyboard to write your language. Enabling the on-screen keyboard is from the settings accessories. It will show like here accessibility, and then on-screen keyboard. Here it is. In addition to that, you do have something called live translation. Live translation also in the settings. You can start the settings, you can click on the settings, click search, try to find the live translation. So you have two advantages that will help you if you do not speak English, if the English is not your first language, or if you want to learn a new language. This is a big plus. Going back to our tutorials, now we are going to discuss the drive integration and quick insert. The drive integration is where your files is.